Hello everyone, welcome to the webinar session. Myself Suraj and hope all of you are doing well. Today the subject is busy powerful reports grow your business. You know that we are conducting the webinar in a weekly manner. It can help you to improve your busy knowledge as well as it can help you to improve your business operation. And today we are going to discuss about various type of reports that is useful for your day-to-day business transactions. And also these reports, it can help you to grow your business. So let us begin the session. In this session, we're going to learn different types of reports. First, we will see the introduction, what is reports, then different types of reports in busy. And question and answer session is also there. After end of this session, you can have the question and answer session. If you have any query related to your particular busy software, you can ask with us so that we will answer your query. What is reports? A report is a formal document that provides detailed information, analysis, and insights about a specific aspect of a business operations, performance, or activities. It is typically used for decision making, communicating, and accountability within the organization. So, first of all, you know that accounting, it means it is the financial transactions. Accounting, it means you can classify, summarize the financial transaction in monetary terms. That is called as accounting. So apart from accounting in a software, you have many types of feature like inventory management, billing, and GST related works, etc. So all that particular operations, all that particular activity, end of the day, you wants to see the few of the reports. So in that report, you can come to know that how the business is going on, how much GST is collected, how much GST has to be paid to the government, what is your current stock, etc. So these all the information you can get it from the software through the reports. In next slide, let us discuss about different types of reports in busy. Standard reports. Standard reports is a very important report. By default, it is available in a display section. Just go through the display section and you can view the standard reports. Another is drill down reports. So drill down reports, it means some of the reports in busy, you can drill down the information. So after open the reports, you can just press the enter button or enter key. Then you can able to see the internal information of the particular that transactions. That is called drill down reports. Third one is graphical reports. The graphical representation of your business data, you can check it from this graphical reports through the graph and pie chart, etc. That is called graphical reports. And configurable reports. These configurable reports, it can help you to configure your required information in the report. You can decide that which type of column you require. On that basis, easily you can configure from the software. In configurable report, there is two types of configuration available. One is custom column report, another is columnar register report. So it can so these are different types of reports that is available in busy. All types of reports it can available within the software itself. So next slide, standard report we will discuss. The standard reports in busy software, it includes accounting reports. Accounting reports, it covers all the necessary accounting related data of your business. Example, final result, balance sheet, trial balance, account summary, account activity, party ledger, daybook transaction, account register, etc. So this is very helpful to analyze for the business because accounting is a very important aspect in a business. That is why this can help you to take a proper decision making in your business, so that it can available in busy. And inventory reports. These inventory reports, you can view the inventory related information such as closing stock information, opening stock information, and also closing value, opening value, and how much stock is there, what will be the stock ledger status, minimum level, maximum level of the goods, and reorder level of the goods. There are many types of other reports also available in this particular inventory report. GST report. GST also very important aspect. End of the month, you have to file the GST returns to the government. and you have to make the payment to the government. So that report also you can get it from the standard reports side, because this is the standard report. It means these are the reports that is a default report. No need to do any customization. Readily it is available. That is why it is called as standard reports. In a GST report, all types of reports you can get it from the software. That is HSN wise breakup, HSN wise sales, and party wise sales, and GSTR1, GSTR2, GSTR3B, GST return registers, and also you can able to check the common mistakes in GST. In that any of the bill, if you mentioned a wrong GSTN number, wrong HSN codes, wrong GST percentage, then these reports are help you to monitor that kind of mistakes. Next is MIS report. MIS reports also very important for our business transactions, because why? Because in this MIS report, you can view your business profits, profitability, and also you can check the budget variance report here. And also MIS report also it having the different types of profitability report, item wise profit, party wise profit. So next, there are a lot of reports available, budget variance, cost centers also. So these are the important standard reports that is comes with the software. And another important reports. So other important reports are that these reports you can analyze your sales, you can analyze your purchase. Also, you can able to see the party wise sales summary, item wise sales summary, supplier wise sales summary. So there are many type of important reports also available. While checking the practical session, I can explain you in detail. So next is accounting reports. So these are the accounting reports, that is final result, trial balance, accounting books, account summary, outstanding analysis, interest calculation, depreciation chart, etc. And inventory reports are stock status report, inventory books report, inventory summary. You can summarize the inventory stocks in this report. Quotation register, order register, chalan processing report, pending order also you can check, issue and receipt analysis report, item receivable and issuable report, production report. So these all are the important inventory reports. In GST reports side, you can able to view the GST summary. What will be the input GST, output GST, GST payable, how much is the RCM GST, so RCM transactions, everything, debit note, credit note, everything you can come to know that in this particular GST summary report. Other than this, you have the GST returns registers like GST returns report, GSTR1, 2, 3B, GSTR9, GSTR6, etc. And GST registers like sales register, purchase registers. In that, you can get the breakup summary of the GST percent, GST wise breakup. Also, you can able to check this report. GST other reports also there. GST clause, tax clause 44 report, audit report. So there are many type of GST reports available, and audit report also there. Here we will discuss about MIS report. In this MIS report, it is there are many types of report available like cash flow, fund flow, ratio analysis, profitability report, multi-company result, party abstract, etc. Important reports like master statistics. You can see the master, how many masters is created from yourself, how many vouchers has been entered from you, and what all are the activities done by the particular user. User wise also you can check, all user wise, one user wise. If user made any of the modification in that data, easily you can check it out from your side using this user activity log report. And also for the voucher numbering report, most of the cases the voucher numbering sometime it is a blank, or if you are using this manual numbering, or the numbers will be continued, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 in this order, the number will be there. So some of the cases, if you miss the number 5 voucher, 1 to 4 it is available, and 6 to 10 is available. The fifth number voucher is missing means. So that kind of information, that kind of discrepancy about the voucher numbering related, you can get it from this particular voucher numbering report. So these are the some important reports that is available in this software. So let us discuss about drill down report also. Drill down report, it is nothing but you can view the report, then you press the enter key means it can view the additional internal information. For example, if you view the purchase register, then any of the particular bill number, you can keep the cursor, then you can press the enter button, then automatically software it can show the internal data of the particular bill number. So that is called drill down report. So the drill down report, it is available in Busy. I can show you what all are the drill down reports it is available. While doing the practical session, I can overview this drill down report. And next is graphical reports. The graphical reports also very important, because in this graphical report, you can see your business data or business informations in a graphical way. Graphical way, it is nothing but, so I can explain you about the graphical reports. The graphical reports, it means you can view your business data, business analytics through the graphical way. In this graph, you can easily understand that how the business is going on, how the sales is going on. So how in this particular graphic, all the reports you cannot able to see this graphical way. Few of the reports you can able to check the graphical way. So that I can explain you later. But the Busy, it can have the option of graphical report also, especially for the sales analysis, the purchase analysis purpose. Sales and purchase analysis purpose, you can use this graphical reports. The next thing is configurable report. The configurable report, you can configure your own report as per your requirement. That is called configurable report. In Busy, you have that particular platform or that particular utility that is called columnar report, and another is custom column. Both the utility, it can help you to configure your own reports. So all types of reports you can easily configure from your side, custom column and columnar. So next, we will see the practical overview about these reports. We'll move the practical session. So this is our Busy data. Here under the display section, generally the reports, all types of reports, it is available under the display section. You just go through the display section under that. So these all are the final result, trial balance, account books, account summary, outstanding analysis, interest calculation, depreciation, and bank reconciliation. Up to here, these all are the accounting reports. These all are the accounting reports. And bottom, you can see that this is the dashboard. This is the configurable dashboard, and it can, in this report, it comes under the configurable report side. And stock status report is also there. Inventory books, inventory. These three reports are the inventory reports. That is why we are keeping some space over here. After the accounting reports, we are giving some space, then my dashboard, then again space, then this is the inventory reports. And here, this is the GST report. So that is why we are giving some more space over here. And after the GST report, these all are the MIS reports and other reports. So first I can explain you about the accounting reports. In the accounting reports, there are final result report will be there. Final result report, you can able to see the company balance sheet. So it can help you to analyze the assets and liabilities information. Based on your requirement, you can insert the specific date range. And also there are many types of interactive filters available. Update balance sheet stock, second level group details, show ratio. So based on the requirement of the operator, they can easily enable this required filter. Then they can view the report. This is the balance sheet report. So liabilities and assets, you can you can check it from this particular balance sheet report. And apart from that, you have the drill down also. Just you can keep the cursor anywhere of this particular data, then you can press the enter button. After that Busy software, it can drill down. Once again, you can press the enter, means again if you went inside additional internal information. Again, if you press the enter means again you go to the internal data. So that is the way the drill down reports it can work. So this is all about balance sheet. And the balance sheet itself, you have multiple types of views. Standard view, this is called as standard view. The standard view will be come like this. Here you have the date changing option. Just you press the F2 button and you can change the date. Also you have the export option. Directly you can export Google Sheet, Microsoft Excel, PDF, etc. You have the printing option, email option, and also you have the refresh option, etc. So this is all about balance sheet. And vertical format also there, horizontal and vertical. Both the format available, both the reports available. The horizontal and the vertical report, it can come like this as a vertical manner. So this is the vertical format. Here also the drill down, it can work. And the configurable format. Configuration also there. You can configure your own balance sheet format based on your requirement as per the as per the ICAI requirement. मतलब, as per the ICAI guidelines, Indian Chartered Accountant Association guidelines, you can configure your own balance sheet. Otherwise, you can use the standard report. That configuration, it is available here. Final result configuration, balance sheet. You can create different number of formats and number of formats in this balance sheet report. Here you have the configuration button. Go to the configuration button and you can create. So this is the way we have the configuration of balance sheet option also. Next is profit and loss is also there. Profit and loss account also, it can help you to analyze your business health, whether your business is running in a profit or a loss. So easily you can understand in this particular. And profit and loss account. So see, the profit and loss account, it can help you to check your business health, because whether the business is running in a profit or not, and what all are the expenses you have, what all are the income you have earned, what all are the purchase you have made, how much sales you have did, opening stock quantity value is how much, closing stock quantity value is how much is there. So these all are the information easily you can understand by using this profit and loss account. Here also you have the drill down option. Just you can keep the cursor where you want, then you just press the enter option, enter button. Easily you can view the internal information of the data, that particular ledger account or data. So in profit and loss account also, there will be different types of vertical formats, different types of formats like horizontal, vertical, configurable, etc. So vertical will be like this. How the this will be the vertical format of profit and loss. It will become like this. And payment and receipt, cash in, cash out. So end of the day, most of the business, they required this report that is called cash in, cash out report. How much cash they have been received, how much cash they have been paid. So they need this type of report in a single consolidated sheet. Actually, one in a single sheet itself, they need this type of report. So that is available in Busy readily. No need to go for any configuration. Easily you can view this report. If you want, you can take a printout, or if you want, you can export the data in Excel also or PDF also. So you can see the cash in and cash out information, how much cash in today and how much cash out today based on your date range, or month you have defined here. So on that basis, this report can be generated. Income and expenditure also you can summarize by using this option. This is also very important for the businesses, because how much income they have been earned, how much expenditure they have been paid. So this type of information really it required for the businesses. They can use this report. This is all about final result. If you talk about trial balance, in this trial balance, there is two types of report available. One is one is closing trial, another is opening trial. In a closing trial also, there will be three types of category available, reports available. One is alphabetical, groups, and hierarchical. The alphabetical report itself, we have two different views, balance only view and detailed view. So in Busy, we have multiple types of hundreds of reports. You can use the report, you can view the report as per your requirement. So most of the reports, it's readily available. No need to go for any configuration or customization. So that is why we called it as Busy is a powerful accounting software. So here you can use a balance only report as a different filtering wise, that is all account wise, group of account wise, selected account wise, etc. So after that, it can ask you to enter the date range. You can insert the date. In that also, you have different types of filterings, group wise, zero balance account. If you want to see, you can enable this, yes or no, just yes or no. If you want to view the report, view the data in your report, mention it as a yes, otherwise no. So this type of report viewing is available. Anyone, they can use the report. In Busy, it's a very simple and user friendly software. Any accounting, non-accounting background, non-IT background person, easily they can manage their business operation. So here you can see the trial balance. So this is the trial balance. So all of the customers related balances, debit balances or credit balances, whatever it is, it can show in this particular report. That is called trial balance. Here you have the detailed report also. In this detailed report also, you can check the all account wise, one account wise, and also you have the date range entry option. give the enter the starting date, ending date. But this is the detailed report. Previously, I was shown in the trial balance as a balance only report. This is the detailed report. In this report, you can also see the opening balance and closing trial balance also. Opening trial balance, debit balance, credit balance, and closing balance. So this is the closing trial. Same way you can able to check the opening trial report also, opening trial balance report also. These also available for three different types: alphabetical, grouped, and hierarchical. This is all about trial balance. If you talk about account books, there are different types of account books report available. That is called a day book report. So this is the day book report. So in a single day, what all are the transaction you have been done, whether it is a inventory transaction, accounting transaction, whatever it is, all the transaction, it should become in a single report. That is why it is called as a day book. And also you can see this account ledger report. Most of the entities, they need this report because customers are asking their ledger statement. So once they ask the ledger statement, easily you can generate their ledger statement and you can send it from their mail ID or whatever. Mail also you can send it from the software directly. So this type of account ledger report is available, and even you have the merged account also. Merged accounts means you can select the particular group of the ledger. For example, if it is a debitor group, select the debitor group, then all the debitor group accounts values, that is the sales account values, it can be comes in a single report. This is called merged account. Merged account means all the ledger account, what all are the ledger account you have in your business data. So if you did any transaction with them, so then all the data, it can be comes in a single report. And cash and bank report, in this report easily you can find your cash balances, bank balances. In that also single column is there, single column and multi-column. This is the single column. You can see the receipt and payment information, voucher number, account, date, type, etc. Multiple column you can configure from this columnar configuration that I can show you. Here you can come to the configuration and you can search the columnar reports, cash and bank book. Totally 5 number of bank or cash ledgers you can allocate for here. For example, if I allocated a state bank cash, then after that multiple column report, it can come like this. As per the date range, you can view the report. So both the State Bank of India and the cash account, both the ledger account balances, it can come in a single view. It can come in a single screen. That is why it is called as a multiple column report. And also you have the account register like sale register, purchase register, sale register, sales return register, contra register, etc. So this is the view of sales register. In this report, you can see the date, voucher number, account type, total amount, etc. While you viewing the voucher, there are many types of interactive filters are available. If you want to view the bifurcation of amount, you can make it as yes, and include sale return, then you can keep this as Y. So after that, you can view the report. Then that information also you can get it from these reports. So this is the sale register. And similarly, you can also view the other report also: purchase, sales return, purchase return, payment, receipt, journal, contra, debit note, credit note also. Now, account register report columnar also there. Columnar and standard both will be there. Standard, it means it's a standard report. Columnar means it's a configurable report. So a configurable report, you can do it, you can create from here, columnar report, account register. This is the configurable report. You can add one format and you can configure the information or configure the data report as per your requirement. There are all types of field available. For example, if you want to add party mobile number, then you can add the party mobile number like this: voucher field, party, and here you can select the bill party mobile number. So party mobile number. Then party mobile number column will be added in your report. So this is the configurable report. So there are you can add 32 columns in a columnar report, up to 32 columns. So there are all types of required fields. It's available here. So choose from the list, add it from here. Then you can save it. Once you save the configuration, then that report, it can available here. Columnar register, account register columnar, you can view the columnar report from here. Once you configure the report from there, then it can be shown here. This is the name of the report. Enter the date and you can view the report. So this is the columnar report. And then account activity report will be there. You can select any one of the ledger with month wise, and you can see the account activity, date, description, reference number, currency, debit, credit balance, etc. Account summary also, that daily balance, daily summary, monthly summary. This is the daily balance report. Take anyone ledger account, and you can see the date, debit balance, credit balance. These all are the report. It's very really required for your business. So then only you can understand the understand the business operations and business health also. Daily summary you can view here. So this daily summary report, it can help you to view the date, opening balance, debit balance, credit balance, and closing balance related informations. Transaction summary, minimum, maximum cash bank balances. This report also very important report. You can see the minimum balances of cash as on date 1/4/2023, maximum balance on what date you have the maximum balance in your cash account, that you can see it from here. Account ledger comparison also there. So easily you can compare the two different ledgers in your your two customers ledger easily, like this. So then you can one second here, I can take it as Busy Infotech Private Limited. In this way you can compare your account ledgers. Also you have the graphical interface also. Graphically you can check that whether the comparison which ledger have the more sales, which account I did the more sales for this month. This way you can compare the ledgers balances also. PDC details also you can get it from here. If you have any PDC post dated check entry, then you can check it from here. Settlement summary, this is also very important for the supermarket and retail industry. Most of the industries, when they are closing the shop, they are taking this report. Then they come to know that how much cash is collected today, how much check are collected today, what will be the UPI payment they have been received, how much UPI amount they have been received. So these details they can get it from this settlement summary report. So based on the requirement, series wise or user wise, they can easily generate the report over here. And other than the unmoved accounts, unmoved account means if any account ledger they are not giving the business for you, then you can check the account, that kind of account related information here. Unmoved accounts, unbilled party, unbilled party also you can check. Party with invalid GST number, party with invalid PAN number, party turnover details. This is also very important details. You can see the party's turnover details from here. Cash and credit sales summary, monthly, quarterly, daily wise, there are three types of filtering available. So you can select the month and check the credit and cash sales summary. So party cash summary, cash against invoice. There are a lot of report available in account summary side. Other than this, you have the outstanding summary, amount receivable, account wise also you can check, or account group wise also you can check. So this is the receivable ledgers, and this is the receivable amount for our business. So easily you can understand that's receivable related information from here. Bill receivable also you can check. Amount receivable also check. If you are using the bill by bill adjustment in your accounting side, then you have to check this bill by bill receivable outstanding report. It can help you to analyze your outstanding amount with bill wise. What is the bill number? What is the reference number? What is the pending amount, that you can analyze from here. So PIPO basis also you can check. PIPO basis means 0 to 30 days, 30 to 40 days, 40 to 60 days. This type of first in, first out, or aging voice also you can check. That is, I told you that for 0 to 30, 30 to 40, that is not FIFO, that is actually aging wise report. That report also, it is very important for the businesses to collect the payment. So to collect the payment, this report is very helpful. If you found any credit limit is exceeding for that particular ledger account, easily you can call to them and you can ask the payment for them. So this is the way the aging report is helpful to you. Same way the payable report also you can check. Bill wise also check. On account entries report related is there. Interest calculation report, this is also very important. Suppose the customer is not paid the amount after the credit limit exceed, Suppose you are given a 45 days credit limit for them, then they are not made the payment to you. You can add the interest of that outstanding amount. After adding the interest, easily you can check the interest calculation for here. This report is useful for the interest calculation purpose. And also you can use this particular interest calculation report for your loan, advances, etc. So after giving the payment to anyone, after giving the loan to anyone, you can calculate the interest for that loan amount for here. That is why this interest calculation report, it is helpful. And depreciation chart also you can check. You know that depreciation is only applicable for the fixed assets, whatever the fixed assets you have been purchased for your industry or company. So example, machineries, computers, etc. Because these assets are these assets are useful for your business operation. So that is why it is called as a fixed assets. If you are purchasing any type of fixed assets, then the depreciation will be charged as per the government income tax rule, and as well as the another rule is Company Act rule. That both the Company Act and the income tax rule wise, you can check the depreciation chart over here. And other than this, directly you can post the journal voucher also. Based on the journal voucher entry, the value of the fixed assets have been reduced year by year. So that value has to be posted in your profit and loss balance sheet side also. So this is the depreciation chart. Depreciation chart report, it is very needful for the final financial year closing time. That time the depreciation entry is required. So you can do it from here. Next is bank reconciliation. You know that bank reconciliation is nothing but you can match your bank balances, bank statement balances along with the software data. Most of the cases, the bank balances are going to mismatch. So easily you can match the data with your bank data. That process is called as bank reconciliation. The related report of bank reconciliation, you can get it from here. Easily you can check that, select the bank account name, and you can check the bank reconciliation related report like all entries, uncleared entries, cleared entries, reconciliation statement. So you can see the reconciliation statement. Checks deposited but not cleared this much value. Check issued but not cleared this much value. Actual balance. So these all are the important accounting report. It is really required for your day-to-day business operation. Next we will see the dashboard. So dashboard is one type of configurable report. This dashboard report it is very useful for the business owners. Why? Because they never have had this much time to see the reports one by one. They need to check the all informations in a single screen. That is why this my dashboard is given from our side. So you can do the configuration of my dashboard for your busy software here. That is configuration. User dashboard is also there. Party dashboard is also there. User dashboard, it is nothing but the user will get the information about their daily transactions. All types of transactions they can able to check in a single screen. No need to go for different reports. Easily they can view it in a single display. That is why it is called as a dashboard. User wise also you can create, party wise also you can create. Party wise means when you selecting the party name, after that one window will appear. That is why it is called as a party dashboard. Here I can show you that user dashboard configuration. For example, the username is admin. So in this admin user, they want to check, see the cash balances, bank balances, show sub detail, PDC issue, bill receivable, whatever the important things they need in their business, they can enable from here. Once they enable the required related information or required settings for in this window, they can easily see this information in a single screen. So now I can save this configuration. After the configuration, the user they can see this dashboard simply. So this is the dashboard report. You can see the dashboard here. Cash balances is there, bank balances is there. I'm showing you the date of 31st 3/2024. So in this date, the company will have the cash balance of this much, bank balance of this much, daily sales is this much, total PDC has been received 0, bill receivable is 77,59,840, bill payable is this much, and aging receivable today it is 77,000. So all type of information, even closing stock value also they can able to check this particular single screen itself. So this type of my dashboard configuration also we have in Busy. It is also very helpful for your business. Next, we will talk about stock related information that is called inventory reports. The inventory report is specially we are using to manage our stocks, because how much stock we have, how much we have purchased, how much we have sold. So that type of information easily you can get it from this particular inventory related report. The first report is stock status. The stock status report, it is available in different types. Actually, closing stock, alphabetical, closing stock, group wise, closing stock, hierarchical wise. So all types of report it is having in Busy stock status report side. For example, if you want to view the closing stock report as a hierarchical wise, you can just go through the hierarchical and balance only, then you can view the report. Hierarchical, it is means it's a hierarchical order. Here you can see the group name, air conditioner. The air conditioner group, we have this type of product: split AC 1 ton, split AC 1.5 ton, split AC 1 ton, etc. So along with, you can able to see the quantity also, how many closing stock quantity you have in your godown. So that quantity also you can able to check it from here. So this is the hierarchical way. Also, you have the group wise. You can easily select the item group here. This is the item group, for example. Then you can view the closing stock report. If you want to view the value also, then you can enable the value. So we have different types of filter based on the operator requirement. They can use the filter in Busy. So after enabling the value, the closing stock value also visible in this report, display reports. This is all about closing stock reports. Even you have the inventory book also, day book report. Inventory side day book is different from accounting day book. So there are two types of daybook available. So this is the inventory daybook. Stock ledger report, inventory registers is also there. You can see the sales, purchase, sales return, purchase return registers. So in a inventory sales register report, it can show you only for the inventory related data, that is quantity. But in accounting sales register report, it can show you the value, because you know that accounting will be measured in a money terms, right? So accounting will be measured in money terms. So that is why the accounting sales register, it can show you the value, and the inventory register, it can show you the quantity. So all types of inventory register, it is available here. And other than this, I said you that while explaining you about the accounting register. So there we have the columnar. Similarly, inventory register also, here we have the inventory register columnar report. The columnar report, it is configurable by the user side. So they can easily configure up to 32 column. They can able to add it in that report. So even you have the item daybook also. So if you wants to check any particular item related information or item daybook, so easily you can check it from here. In this daybook report, the purchase, sales, both data, it can visible in the report, because it's a daybook report, item wise daybook report. Item wise daybook report is different than party wise daybook report. Inventory summary report, it is help you to analyze your inventory related information like daily balance, daily summary, monthly summary. So in a monthly summary, you have a graphical interface also. Select the item group, month, then you can view the graphical report also. This is also available. So next is drill down. I said you that drill down report. So any point of time, if you wants to view the full information of the data, then what you have to do, you have to press the enter button here. After pressing the enter button, the Busy software, uh, it can go to internally, and it can view the internal entries of that data. So after pressing the enter button, you can able to go internally and view the data internally. So that is why we are giving the drill down option also. So consolidate summary report is there. So these all are the inventory reports. Let us discuss about GST report. In GST report also, GST summary, return register, other reports, audit reports, all the reports available. So GST report, summary report, you can able to check the input GST, output GST, opening balance, RCM adjusted, ITC adjustment, how much GST payable is there this month, how much GST I wants to pay. So that is, you can get it from here. GST return report. So GSTR1 display report is also there. So other than this, you have the direct return uploading option also. So you can see the display report. Otherwise, you can upload your data from Busy to GST department portal directly. So this is also available. JSON export is also available. So GSTR2 report is there, 3B is there. 3B also very important report, because you know that while uh, paying the GST payment to the government, we require this GSTR3B. So this report, it contains the all types of GST payable information, and IGST, CGST, outward tax payable, etc. So this is called as GSTR3B report. And other than this, you have the GST register also. So there are three types of GST register available, sales register available: accounting sale register, inventory sales register, and GST sales register. This GST sales register, you can view your whole information of your business. That is called item name, item GST, item rate. All the information, it is visible in this report, because in that accounting and inventory registers, that is not contains this HSN column, GST taxable, and CGST, SGST, IGST bifurcation, that not contains. But this report, you have that option. Most of the cases, end of the month, we wants to share this file to the our CA or auditor department. So then auditor will ask you to give the proper report in this manner. That is called CGST, SGST, IGST bifurcation with HSN code, with the customer name, with bill number, etc. But most of the customers, they are searching that report into the inventory register and accounting register side. But there we never get this information. We have to get this report in a GST register, sales register itself. Then only you can get that report. And purchase register report and supply outward report, GSTR 2A to B, monthly ITC tagging report. So ITC tagging report, you can check it from here. In electronic cash credit ledger report, and GST other report also there. Here you can able to check the tax rate wise output tax, purchase expense wise ITC, bill wise ITC reversal. So tax rate wise, you can see the output tax information. This is the 5%. This is the 5% RCM, and this you can see this. This is the 18% tax rate wise output tax, and RCM is not there. So it is the 28%. If the value you have been entered, if the transaction you have been entered, on that basis, these reports has to be generated in the software. This is the automatical process, automatic report generation. No need to do anything. Just we have to punch the transaction. That's it. And HSN-wise summary, this is very important for the filing purpose. You can view the HSN-wise summary report, HSN unit, description, UQC, quantity, etc. And GST audit report also there, common mistake report, tax audit report. This report will help you for the CA and auditors. They can audit your data after end of the month or end of the year or quarterly. How much GST purchase you have been made, how much non-GST purchase you have been made, how much is the exempted purchase, how much is the expenditure, all the things they have been audited from their end. So this report is really required for them. So it is available. Common mistake report. So if you in your transaction, if you made any mistakes or any wrong entries, then that information, it can be available in this report. Party with invalid GST number, party with invalid tax rate, reconcile account, and GST expense. There are many reports available under the GST report. It is really helpful for your compliance purpose. MIS report, you can check the cash flow report, how much cash flow, inflow, net flow, opening, all the information you get, you can check it out from this cash flow report. And the fund flow also, you can check cash flow and fund flow. And ratio analysis report, month-wise ratio analysis, liquidity ratio, leverage ratio. So this report is available. And most important thing here is profitability report. There are different types of profitability report available: bill-wise, party-wise, item-wise. For example, I'm showing you the bill-wise profitability report. So here you can see my screen, actually account, sale amount, cost amount, profit and loss. So the first value, you can see the cost amount is 22,653, sale amount is 32,490, the profit and loss is 9,836. So this is a very important to take a proper decision making in your business side. So there's the profitability reports and all those things, it can help you. And multi-company results also you can check. For example, if you have different companies A and B, both the company, you can merge it, and you can see the balance sheet or trial balance of account ledger or stock status, stock ledger, bill receivable, outstanding, anything you want. So these are the merging report. That's multi-company report. Both the company database will be different, but also you are able to merge the company and you can see the report in a consolidated manner. That is why it is called as a multi-company result. Checklist report also there. This is a checklist report. This is another this report is comes under the other important reports. Here you can see the statistics. Mainly this report will help you if you import the data from Tally to Busy. So on that time you have to match the statistics of data, how much transaction has been done in a Tally data and how much transaction has been imported in a Busy data. That you can reconcile by this using this voucher statistics report. And also there in my audit trail, as per the MCA guidelines, we need this audit trail report. It's a compulsory as per the MCA guidelines. The audit trail is compulsory for the company, LLP, partnership firms. If they don't have this audit trail feature in their application software, then it is a problem for that. That is why, as per the MCA guidelines, we are also providing this audit trail report. So this report available here. And also I said you that user activity log. This is the user activity log, means you can capture, you can monitor your users, how what all are the activities has been done the user, what all are the changes has been done, what all are the modification they have been made. So all the types of related information you can check this report. And voucher numbering also you can check. Voucher numbering means most of the cases the user what they did, one number the voucher has been not posted. 1 to 10 voucher is that the fifth number voucher they have been not posted, means that number is treated as a blank number or a blank voucher. So that information also you can check this report. Duplicate voucher number. If you Busy cannot allows the duplicate voucher number, but if you are using the manual numbering, on that time certain time the duplication will takes place. So that duplication you can check it out for this report. Missing voucher number you can check. Unsequenced voucher numbers report. These all are the monitoring purpose. So these all are the data monitoring purpose, and also you can see the cancelled voucher number. So most of the cases, if you are searching this cancelled voucher number report, that is available here under the checklist side. Other than this, you have the sales and purchase analysis report, issue and receipt analysis, consumption analysis, item receivable and issuable report. These all are the item inventory related report. This is used for your sales purchase analysis purpose. Production report is also available. The company industry belongs to the manufacturer industry or production industry. Then that industry is required production planning. So tomorrow, how many goods they wants to prepare or they wants to manufacture, just they can define the value of the quantity value of the value here. So automatically Busy they can tell you that you need this much of raw materials. So that is why it is called as a production planning. If the production raw material quantity is less, then easily you can place the purchase order directly from here. So this is the production planning report. These are the important reports that is available. So all the reports, I think it's not required, but most of the reports it is required for your daily operation. So one more important thing, if you wants to add any important reports in your favorite list, easily you can add it from here. We have the favorite option. Just you can give the name of the report and add it. So that all reports will come here, because each and every day if you are using the report, then you can put it in a favorite list. So then you can check, come to the favorite tab and you can view the report. This is a better option. It can saves your time. This is my suggestion. Actually, after that, there are a custom column report I said you. For example, I'm opening one ledger report here. This will be the ledger report. In this ledger report, if you want to configure the custom column, you can go to the custom column report and add the format name. For example, in this report, I want to add my customer mobile number. So then I can add one column and I can put one column name called mobile number. Position I need after the F4, because F3 is the account name, and after the account name I need this mobile number. That is why I selected as add after F4. This is the alignment, left, right, center alignment. Number of character. Here number of character you can define how much character you wants to. Normally the mobile number it required only maximum 12 characters. That much is in. And in this particular custom column report, you have the option to add data field. You have the option to add formula also. No, you know that how to add the formula in Excel, right? Similarly, you can add the formula in Busy also. That is why we are given a formula field also. So A column plus B column is equal to C. So A plus B is equal to C. So that type of column formula you can add in this custom column also. So now let me show you the that how to add the mobile number. After do this, you can select the data field. Here data field, you can select the inventory voucher head, and there are a lot of fields available. So let me party mobile number. You can search here. Otherwise, you have the alphabetical search option. Just you can type party underscore mobile number. Here you can get the field, add it here, save the data, and save the format. After adding the format, once again you go back and open the report, regenerate the report. So here you can see the name of format A. Standard is a default report. A I am created by myself so that I can select it as A, and this is the report. Here you can see the mobile number. So mobile number I have been added just now. So that is comes to this report. So this is the way you can add the required related column for as per your requirement. This is all about custom column. So this is the subject of the today's session. So most of the report that is available. If any report it is not available, you can use the custom column or configure columnar register also. So further, if you have any query or assistance if you required, just you can call to our 24/7 customer care helpline number 8282828282. The email ID is support@busy.in. Thank you for joining this session.